How to write a review on Booking.com. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about writing a review on Booking.com. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to open your preferred web browser and then type in Booking.com in the search bar. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now to leave a review, you must have completed a booking and stayed at the property. Only the guests who have booked and stayed are eligible to leave the reviews. After you stay, Booking.com will send you an email inviting you to review the property. Click the link in the email to access the review form. And alternatively, you can log into your Booking.com account, then navigate to the booking section and select the reservation you want to review. You will need to enter a confirmation number and a PIN to proceed. Once you're in the review section, you can rate your experience, write comments, and upload photos if you wish. After completing all the sections, submit your review and it will be posted. So that's how you can write a review on Booking.com. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.